What if working harder was never the answer to getting rich? Warren Buffett once said, "Successful people say no to almost everything." Most people chase every opportunity that looks exciting. The wealthy chase only the few that actually matter. Let me show you through two people. Same city, same starting income, different futures. Meet Ryan and Sophia. Both 26, both freelance designers earning $3,800 a month. Ryan said yes to everything. Every client, every side gig. More work, he believed, meant more money. Sophia said no to almost everything. She picked 2 solid clients and spent her extra hours mastering one skill deeply instead of juggling 10 shallow ones. At first, Ryan looked ahead. More clients, more invoices, more cash flowing in. Sophia looked like she was falling behind, but Buffett understood something decades earlier. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Ryan was collecting price tags. Sophia was building value, deep skill, real reputation. A year in, cracks showed. Ryan was exhausted, spread across too many clients to do any well. Quality dropped. Clients left. Sophia raised her prices, now known as the best, not the busiest. This is exactly what Buffett meant. You only have to do a very few things right, so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Ryan did 100 things averagely. Sophia did 3 things exceptionally. By year 3, Sophia earned triple her original income from fewer clients, working fewer hours. Ryan was still chasing everything, still exhausted, still earning almost the same as day 1. They met again at an industry event. Ryan asked her secret. Sophia said, "I stopped trying to do everything. I focused on the few things that actually moved the needle." That's the lesson inside Buffett's philosophy. Wealth isn't built by saying yes to more. It's built by saying no to almost everything. So your time and energy go toward what truly compounds. So ask yourself, are you spreading thin like Ryan or going deep like Sophia? Tell me in the comments which one sounds like you. And if this shifted your view on focus, hit like and subscribe. Next time, we uncover the habit Buffett calls his biggest reason for success.